How to join someone on Roblox with their joins off. First thing you want to do is access the Roblox official website by going to roblox.com. Next thing is you log into your account and then you click and you add on a specific friend where you want to join. Now, this is the easiest method to do. You'll be able to know if this certain friend is playing a different game and where you can join in. Second thing is to download an extension. So go to a new tab, type in Chrome Web Store, click on the first link, and then type row search, research, row searcher. You'll just have to download this extension and then install it. Now, once it's added to your Chrome, you refresh your Roblox page and then click on a friend again. You should be able to join it in no time. So that's how you join in Roblox to someone with joins off.